Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur. My question is that what is the most powerful weapon in the world, in your opinion? The media or a weapon of mass destruction?
Media or weapon of mass destruction? The most powerful weapon is prayers. You pray to Allah, bow before Him, and then ask His help and guidance. And He can remove and He can protect you from all the weapons, whether it is media or mass destruction. And in the worldly way, yes, mass destruction, atom bomb or hydrogen bomb, they are very lethal weapons. They can destroy the whole world. So, mass media, जो है, it plays another role. It pollutes the minds of the people, and it can guide you on the wrong side. So everything has its own role, right? But the best thing is you try to seek Allah's help, Allah's guidance, and pray to Him that Allah Ta'ala save you from all these bad things and all those weapons which the world has made and created, right?